So how is the experience? Yes.
Hello, sir. How do you feel after getting the blessing from His Holiness?
Yeah, in fact, it's a very rare occasion and a very happy moment for me.
Tering nga
This
dor
morning
kongsa
I had
choki
a very
chega hajang
wonderful
ya bu
audience
top
with
chung
His
gombu choki
Holiness
gu chöshe
and
kangle yo
seek
ba
His
thonga chang
blessing.
ki ngarang
And
hajang ka bu
also
chung
I'm
nge gombu
very
chok
happy
ku
to
che
see that
yuring
His
tembe myun
Holiness
dun
health
shu
is
ye
now
menu da
improved a
kongsa
lot.
choki bar delam hajang
So
mikse wa shi ye
we also
pe
pray for the
tering
long
nge
life of
menu
His
te den ba
Holiness.
yong ki sap shu te
And this
jinor
morning
kongs kem
I had
gyun
a
chimpu chok
very good
arunachal nga de
discussion
na
with
tin
His
de shu yu
Holiness.
batar gombu
Since
choki
Arunachal
sheshe
Pradesh
top
and
chung
in
wani
particularly in
arunachal
one
nga de
area
mimang
people
yong la
they share a
tamsang ki
very
ne
good
chu shi gi
relation with
mare
His
namshi
Holiness
kongsa
the
choki
Dalai
ku
Lama.
chöshe tangge kangle
So
kap
on
arunachal na
behalf of the
chipgyur ze nang
people
gire
of the
ma
state,
se
I
thenga
have
kongsa cho
invited
chilu
His
chikdong gu
Holiness
kyangap chu
to
nga gu
visit
lor phyo
Arunachal
ne
Pradesh
kyagar tu chipgyur kap
as and
menu
whenever
tu
he
shapsor
feels
kyo
so.
be ne ther
And
nga
His
chu
Holiness
photang shi
was
sar zu che
kind
yu
enough
bathe
to accept the
thering menu the
invitation
den ba yong ki
on
chap
behalf
shi
of
te
the people.
photang tishin ka de
And
photang
in
exam
coming
la
days,
phyu yu
definitely